Hidlaw Sadya News. Celebrating life the way it is.
Good day to all. In a world that is rapidly modernizing, have we ever taken a moment to pause and ask, who are we? What makes us unique? What defines us Filipino and us Ilonggo? The answer lies in our cultural arts.
Kaya mo na akong magpapastor.
Okay, sige.
Ano ang panawagan sa Ginoo para sa atin?
GCash and Silliman University are committed to sustainability by planting 500.
How do we create peace in the Middle East without politics? Grid work. The most
Hidlaw Sadya News. Celebrating life the way it is.